I'm just going to teach you the Shivananda Surya Namaskar. It's one of the most commonly practiced Surya Namaskars. So I'll just teach it to you, alright? So just bring your feet to the front of the mat and bring your hands to heart center. On the inhale, you'll lift your hands up really nice and high. And on the exhale, you'll forward fold, bringing your hands all the way to the ground. From here, plant your hands on either side of the mat, outside of the feet, and take your right leg as far back as you can and drop the knees down, right? From here, gently look up. And then on the exhale, plant your hands down, step both legs back and come into a mountain posture. Make sure the heels of the feet are coming down. And on the inhale, lengthen forwards, shoulders over your wrists, drop the knees down, engage your core muscles and bring only the chin and chest to the ground. Then thread your chest through, coming into a cobra posture, lengthening through the hands, roll the shoulders back. Again, on the exhale, curl the toes, lift up and coming back into that mountain posture. Lengthening the spine, making sure you look like an inverted V shape. Lift the right leg up again, really nice and high, and drop it straight in between the hands. Bring the left knee down, roll the shoulders back, sink in. And then again, engage your core, curl the left toes, lift the knees off, and bring the foot in front. On the inhale, rise all the way to the ceiling. And on the exhale, bring your hands to heart center.
While in a squatting position, maintain equal distance between both the knees and keep the feet flat. Then, place your palms in between the knees and flat on the ground while maintaining the knees and elbows at the same level. Bend the torso forward while lifting both the legs up so that the whole body balances solely on the palms. While in this posture, maintain a straight gaze so that your body balances properly. You can hold this posture for at least 20 seconds to a minute while breathing normally and repeat it once or twice consecutively. Finally, return to the original position.
Let's begin by sitting on the mat, placing the forearms onto the ground, measuring your elbows so that they are shoulder distance apart. Place the crown of the head between the palms, using the palms to fence the head. Fingers are interlocked. Lift the knees off and check for the shoulders. Keep moving the shoulders away from the ears and the neck, and then slowly start to move on your tiptoes to the closest point. Very slowly, we'll begin to lift one knee off, take it to chest. Repeat and change on the other side, keeping your foot flexed and engaged. Doing this to prepare to lift up in the entire pose. When you're ready, let both feet go off. Stay here for the longest time possible. Only when you feel ready, lift one leg up, followed by the other. Keeping your legs as engaged as possible, making sure the shoulders are strong and not collapsing. Tighten the muscles around the hip, and slowly bend the knees to release. Relax into child's pose for a bit. Only when you feel comfortable with this demonstration, move on to the next one. Here we will press up to lift into the headstand. Get your alignment right and then slowly get the knees off. Walk to the closest point, lifting both legs together, making sure the core is fully engaged, straightening the legs and elongating upwards to the sky, keeping the shoulders strong. Very slowly flex your feet and with control, bring your legs down. Relax into the child's pose. Rest entirely.
To practice Chakrasana, lie down on your back. Place your hands near your head. Slowly start to come up and get the crown of your head to touch the mat. Start to rise up and feel the stretch. As you practice with time, try and get your head more out. As you practice more, you can come up from your feet to your toes. You can even take one of your legs up and practice some of the variations to get better results. However, just the basic pose itself can give all the benefits.